Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with SIDU. First of all, book the profit right away. SIDU, book the profit. We have the volume divergence. So we have a divergence right on this candle, as well as you can see the volume dead right in this area. There is no volume right here. So when there is no volume, the price will tank once again. So exit all your position on SIDU. Book profit. We are 20% and 30% up on our two different entry. Exit the position and put this profit into DVLT. So book the profit and out of all the trade on SIDU. Now moving forward to S&P 500, what we are looking at on a 4-hour time frame, we have this. So the price bounce here. We saw the volume spike at the bottom and then retracement. Volume dried up. Then again we have a volume divergence down here. Volume divergence, price is up. We'll retest the 50 EMA 100%. There is no exception to this one. 50 EMA retest will happen, which is 681.20 area. Okay, worst case the price can go to 666.39, but recently, like right after Christmas, we'll see the price dropping to 681.20, maybe on 27 or 26 area, right in that area. Okay, like after this week, the price will retrace in this area. And the retracement, if you want to find out precisely, you take the fixed volume range profile, take from this particular candle and to the high. See the value area low right in this area, value area low, this black line right here, under the gap of the point of control line. The price will fall sharply right in this area. So right here, if I drag the line for you, horizontal line, this is your target to close the short position right here, 681.16. That's where the price will tank. This wave 3 will tank, and then the price will shoot up to the last end of the market. One more high from here after this retracement, and then we enter the bear market. Moving forward to Tesla. Last 5 days, I have been saying Tesla is a great company. Great company don't make you rich when they are highly overvalued. 45% of the retail investor ownership on the Tesla. And all these people, the retail investor, those who are holding 45% of Tesla, these are all the work as an exit liquidity in the market. They are the bag holder. They are the buyer at the top. Okay. And right today, what happened here? Let's go on the top. So 22nd of September, we started calling the Tesla is a $300.13 stock. And today we got the downgrade from UBS. Sell indicator maintained 247 is the price target. 27 December, we got the new assessment. Stock has been downgraded. Nothing in this world can stop Tesla to fall to 334 to 303 area. So you better watch this. Suddenly, when the price is all-time high, suddenly there will be negative news, downgrade, software failure, Tesla accident, bad news, sale drop. Everything will be created to bring the price down. All this will be engineered here because the price is all-time high. They will engineer everything. Don't just think, oh, Tesla suddenly is a bad company. No, it's not a bad company. They will engineer everything around. The entire ecosystem will become active to bring the price down. And that's how market works. That's how the market is manipulated by the institutions. And starting with UBS, they already started. Now, soon after, you will see some negative news. You will see other companies rushing to downgrade the stock. And this chain of downgrade will start right in this area. Sorry. So make sure Tesla is overvalued, 100% overvalued, no exception. No position in Tesla at all. Moving forward to Amazon, we are bullish on this one. We have just crossed the TMA. We have a position going on. We are in profit on all the trade. We are continuing holding all the trade. Okay. We are looking for 240 plus area to exit the first trade and then wait for the retracement. We'll have price will continue right into 230 area, equal high. This liquidity, right in this liquidity right here. When you see the liquidity swap right here at the top sell side volume, right in this point here, you will see the retracement, which will be the retracement of this point, not the sell off. It will be the retracement only. So the price started right from here. We have a double bottom right here. Price will go up like this, and then we'll give the retracement like here, this one. And before continuing the next leg upward, the retracement will happen precisely in this wick. You need to understand this wick, the green wick right here we are looking at. So if I show you precisely right here, pay attention to this wick. Do not take it lightly. Right in this box, the reversal will happen on Amazon, and that's where we'll be booking the profits. Moving forward to APLD, those who are holding the APLD can sell the covered call. Yesterday, it was alerted right here that sell the covered call. Stock will pull back. This is just a pullback. It's not a sell-off, okay? We have taken the previous liquidity right here, 1 and 2 equal low. The liquidity was taken. Spring, this was the spring point, price shoot up, retracement, again it will shoot up. Moving forward to BBI, we have a short put on this one. We are waiting for the breakouts because the stock is retracing the trend line. Like it's constantly retracing the trend line. It's refusing to go down, but it's moving along with the trend line. Moving forward right here, there will be a breakout and the price will go above the resistance. Okay, RSI just turning bullish. Stochastic is just coming up a little bit more downside left. So there's a little bit like a few more cent, like 20-30 cent downside, and then we'll break out. We are retesting multiple times the resistance. If you see here, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, all the wicks, they are the test, means that the buyer are testing the water before they jump in. Moving forward to BMNR, we are sitting down here. Good opportunity to hold your position. Continue holding this one. If you want to average out, average out. If you want to sell the put, sell the put. But make sure you have a position on this one. When the crypto start running, you will not get the entry on this one. Moving forward to Webull, long-term investment, hold for stock at least for 20th of February. Then we'll decide where we reach on 20th of February. I'm looking for 1250 by 20th of February. Moving forward to Circle, when the stock was moving upward, it was clearly alerted that we will go back to 74.50 area right here. The wave ABC. This sell-off here is not enough. There is a more downside. We most likely have a double bottom area before we jump back into 91.92 area. So possible double bottom right here. Or even spring, means the wick a little bit goes down, just a little, like few cents. So 74.50, the candle can go literally like 73.90 and then mark the wick and the price go up. So make sure you're watching for the double bottom in the spring right in this area, and then when the price will start going up. GameStop, we have closed the put and the call both on the profit, and we are holding the stock for the recovery. We are looking for 23. Same thing. This was the wave 1 right here. We exactly traded this one. Exactly at this point at the earning, we knew it 100% that the stock will retrace. On the earning, it was alerted. Why? Because the stock was overbought. Stochastic was having a death cross, and there was no retracement before that. The liquidity was sitting at this point. So there is nothing can stop the price before it go up one more time. Take this liquidity right here in this area. Price came here, the small H shape. Those who are in the Discord, they know that how to trade the small H. Down here, up, retracement here to the green candle, small H, liquidity sweep, of bounce. Every single time you see the small H formation, H, the second leg of the H will always be down than the previous one, and right away the stock will shoot up to the fair value gap of the bottom of the spread candle right here. No exception. It will always happen. Just keep monitoring the small H pattern. Okay. Then what we have almost 100% retracement, but we have a gap left, and that's what we needed right in this area. You see that gap left? It means the buyer are refusing for the price to go down. 100% bullish, the price will start recovering right here. Moving forward to HIMS, we'll continue holding our trade. We have a position. We are holding for 52 area. We are not selling the call yet. We'll start selling the call on this one approximately around 42 to 45 area. Till then, continue holding. NVO had a little bit of love from the market yesterday, so most likely the GameStop will start. We are sideline on the point of control line. The price will retrace from here upside towards 40 area. Moving forward to high, good stock to own here, directly related to Bitcoin. Only position we have is the short put. We are not holding the share here. So if you want to open a position, short put ATM for 18th of June, and that's it. Moving forward to Mara, highly undervalued stock. This deserves to be 24, 25 area, and nothing can stop that. This is how the liquidity grab is happening. People are being frustrated on Mara, why it's not going up, and that's how market works. When people get frustrated, they give up on their position at a cheaper price, thinking, oh, I'll find a better opportunity somewhere else. I have a better opportunity on Amazon. I have a better opportunity on Coin. I have a better opportunity on Circle. Or I can go to NVDA. I can go to Palantir, and they will give up their position right here, lest they know that that's what exactly the market wants. Because right here, the institution, if they are buying, let's say $10 billion or $20 billion of Mara, what are the banks and the institution need? They need liquidity. So they will purposely keep the price sideline for a few weeks unless the people are frustrated. And if you understand this concept, let's go to AMD and I'll show you what happened. Where was the price on AMD? To understand this concept, okay, we are not doing analysis on AMD. So what happened here? The price was trading at 206.26. The price dropped all the way to 72, lower than the previous low. Liquidity grab right here. How many people you think they were still holding their position? Those who were buying from 222 all the way to 72 area. How many people were able to hold their position? 99% people gave up their position right at the bottom, thinking this is a garbage stock. This is not going to up. Fire the Lisa Su or whatever the CEO is, and this company is going bankrupt, and all this kind of negative thoughts. And they were frustrated, gave up their position at the loss. And then what happened? From 70 straight into 280, 400% run. And that's how market works every single time. Do not think this time is different. Market has same behavior. It was same in 2005, 2010, 2020, 2020, 25. Institution play the same game. Liquidity. They don't follow the support and resistance or EMA or indicator. Oh, this indicator tells me buy here, sell here. That's not how institution trade. Institution trade, buy at the liquidity area, make people frustrated, hold the stock, have a limit order big time so the price doesn't go up and keep hovering to their buy limit order block. Okay. And then once they grab the enough number of share right at the bottom, then they will hold, and suddenly there is a shortage of stock and the market will start pushing higher. So right here, liquidity is being grabbed. You should have a position in Mara right now. Okay, moving forward to Melly, what we are looking at. Melly, we are still in a downtrend. Okay, we have the previous high, the gap left market. What we are looking at, maximum we are looking at 2163 from here, approximately about $150 bounce, and we will have another sell-off because we are another second downtrend. Point number one, lower high, second lower high, third lower high, right here 2163, and again we will sell. So the price will go for the internal liquidity. Where is the internal liquidity sitting? This was our ultimate low. This is the internal liquidity. You see the wick right in this area. Sooner or later, price will fall to 1732. That's where the bottom is. So if people are buying, anyone who has been buying all the way from 2600 and getting frustrated now, less he knows that the price will go to 1700 before it start marking the next high, like 2800, 3000. So 1732.90 is your area that you'll be buying in the liquidity of this candle. Moving forward to Meta 664, we have we have a trade 650 long, 680 short. We have booked 4 times the profit on this one, and the 5th time the current trade is at break even. Let the trade settle. No need to do anything until 16th of January. Both the call will settle because both will go in the money. Okay, so nothing to be done right here. Moving forward to MSTR, everyone is frustrated, same like me. Okay, right now the stock is being punished. Unless the Bitcoin recover, there is no recovery right here. Okay, Bitcoin has to recover for this cipher. I will go that one. All right. Moving forward to Netflix, what we are looking at on the Netflix is there was no liquidity right in this entire area. If you look at from here to here, this was the first point number 2 lower high, which is also the early 3.2. So this price drop right in this area, 109, 110 area, was imminent. Like there was no power in this world which could have stopped it from falling from 133 to 110. And when I say that there is no power in this world, because that's how the market works. That's how market works. Now we are in oversold area, 100%. Okay, Netflix is oversold, undervalued in this area. So whether you get the entry at 93 or you get the entry at 85, 86, whatever the entry you can get, you buy and hold, nothing else. That's it. Okay. We have a liquidity sweep right here, big hammer candle. So most likely we'll be monitoring this candle today onward, and then we'll see what was the price action is. We have a bullish divergence right here continuously. After the bullish divergence, price is oversold, means the price is ready for the bounce. Also, if you look at the divergence on the RSI, you see that? So RSI will rise from here, retest, break down, and test. This is something you can look on the RSI. People, those who cannot draw the trend line on the chart, should always draw the trend line on the RSI. So this one, this is what will happen. And when this will happen, the price will be 124, 119 area, and you are out of all the trade. So this is something RSI will repeat. Moving forward to NEO. NEO is dropping. We are happy with that one. We want it to drop because we want to have a position as low as possible. We want to have some big position here. We don't have the share yet. We only have the short put and we have the call. $5 call for 5th of May. We'll double down the call as well as we will short the put moving forward. Okay, so we are looking for 434 area. We still have 490, still 60 cent downside before the bottom is hit. Right in this area. You see this point? Plus minus few cent, this is where the price will have a bottom, right here. You see this line? And if I drag your previous trend line, which is coming from here, you will get the idea. Right here. So if I bring this line right here, you see that? This black line coming from here, continue right crossing here at 436, 435 area. So NEO will mark the bottom at 435 after taking this liquidity, and then the price will start shooting up straight into $8. So that we are looking at 100% run after the price drop to 436. Make sure you are ready for this one at 436. Do not panic after 436. Okay, this is the time that you have a patience. You have a small position and have patience. At 438, you should be greedy enough to buy as much as you can, but not here, not here. Price has been falling from $8 now at 490, 489, 438 is your entry. Moving forward to NVIDIA, sorry, we have a almost average volume going on continuously. Average volume price is up, means what we are looking at, the price bounce from here towards 195 area. Okay, we'll have the lower high points, 200 plus, possible 200 plus in this area before the sell-off happens. Okay, moving forward to Oscar. Okay, on Oscar, we have a daily time frame. We mark the equal low, multiple low. Point number one, this fair value gap. Point number two, order block, liquidity sweep, another liquidity sweep right in this area. So what we are looking at, multiple equal low, means this is where the buyer are sitting. Buyer are sitting at 1281, 13 area. So every time price drop to 13 area, you are a buyer. Every time it goes to 15, 17 area, you are an first runner. That's it. You don't give a damn where the price is going. So for buy at 13, exit at 18, none of your business where how good the company is or how bad the company is. Take $5 and run, and that's like 40%. Okay. Moving forward to Rivian, highly overvalued stock. This should not be here. This stock generally, in general, my opinion, stock belongs to north of $24. But right now in this trend, the stock is already overvalued. Okay. The price has to retrace back into 14 area, 14 to 15, like plus minus 15, let's say 50 cent plus minus 15 area, 1450 or 1525 area, right in this area at the pivot, at this liquidity. When you are looking at on the chart, right from here, your eyes should be at this candle, nothing else. This red candle, that's it. That's a homecoming. This is where the price belongs to. You know, if the price is lost, it will return back to home. Where is the home? Right in this area. So it's not going anywhere. Thinking the Rivian is going to 100, it's not happening. This is where the price belongs to. 15 plus, a little bit down extra, few cent plus minus in this area. This box is imminent. Moving forward to SMCI, you want to buy and hold this stock as much as possible. We are heading into 58. We have the multiple liquidity sweep. We also have this liquidity taken, equal low. Price is bullish from here. We are just waiting for the reversal. We don't have the confirmation yet. Okay, why we don't have the confirmation yet? Because the price is still trading under the 9 EMA, the green line right here, 34 EMA, the brown line, 50 EMA, the black line. Okay, so the price is still bearish, but we are waiting for the trend reversal right here. We are just waiting for the confirmation before we increase our position and buy the share. Okay, we have a short put on this one. We'll continue holding the short put, which will all be closing around 49 area. All my position will turn a profit as soon as the price cross 42. Okay, I have a hell of a position. I've collected over $510,000 premium. I've shorted the $90 put. I've shorted the $70 put. I have shorted the $50 put. I've shorted the $40 put. And that's like 50 contract, 100 contract, 200 contract. Okay, so almost about $500,000 collected for this. Once the price goes to 50, I'll be ending up closing like $250,000 profit, and I'm out of this trade right at this trend line, which is 52 area. Moving forward to SoundHound, $11. We are holding the support line. Most likely the bounce will happen from here, but this bounce will be short-lived. Okay, just make sure you are aware about that. When you have this hidden seller right here in this point, and every time they are selling the price as soon as it comes to this area, you see that right here. So look in this area. What you are looking at, this candle, sell-off candle, up, hidden seller right on this candle. Okay, you see the green candle right here, right here. So this hidden seller right here, when the price comes back to this area, which is around 13, they are selling again and again. So make sure you know that the rally here will be short-lived. The price will come back to 13, again sell off. We are in a range bound, and the price will stay range bound for a while because we have the liquidity both sides. So the buyer are refusing for the price to go down below 1030. Seller are refusing the price to go above 13. So this becomes your box starting from 1030 to 1319, which is about 30% fluctuation. Price sideline. It will take a while before we have a breakout. Moving forward to SMCI, we have already covered this one. We have a double bottom on the top on 4-hour time frame, which is a little bit of risky. Do not take any trade on S&P 500 today. No long, no short, nothing. Overall, we have a short position. We are waiting for the retracement back into 666. First retracement will be 681 area. It's not going to this point, means it will have an internal liquidity area right here, right in this point, right here. 681 is the price target that we are looking at for the pullback. After 681, we'll have another run up, which will probably be going 705. Okay, 698 will be monitoring. After 698, 705. At $705, we'll be buying the put at the money for 145 days. And you need to buy the put like there is no tomorrow once the price goes to 700. And there is no exception to that one. If I show you the extension of this entire run, okay, let me close this drawing. Why 701? What's going on the 700? You see this and the retracement here. So let's take the Fibonacci extension tool, start at the bottom of this trend right here, go to the high point, take the bottom of this trend right here. Okay, what do you see that? Where do you see 703 to 712? This is your next sell-off area right here, and Fibonacci retracement 7.3.54. This is where the market will sell off. And if you're not ready for this one, you will never be ready for making money in the market. This is where the sell-off will happen, right in this area right here. This will be the top of the market. Whether you like it, you don't like it, this is where the market will top. And from here, the market will be tanking something like this, and this point. You see that point number 1, point number 2. This will become your uptrend, rising wedge, and the price will be rising wedge. Always goes to the bottom of the rising wedge, straight back into right in this area. Then don't tell me I didn't tell you in advance. Once we have a rising wedge sell-off from 705 area, this will be your first price target right here. 649, 651. Nothing less, nothing more. 650. Market will crash from 700. So that will make us 710 to 650 area, approximately $65, which is approximately 10% correction. This will be the case moving forward. Okay. And if you want to see that, look here what happened. The price sell off, price shoot up one more time. We are at this point right now. Okay. Just make sure you know that where we are. We are at this point, this point. So this leg is coming. After this second sell-off here, this sell-off, which will come to this point, sell-off here, shoot up one more time, and will reach this point. So current trend, you are right here. So from here, and you are here. So this pullback we are waiting right now, and this will be the high. So now you can correlate. Okay, now you understand where we are. So the market went up from here, retrace, went up. Market went up, retrace, market went up. So from this point, then we will have this correction back to the equal low and back to the equal low right in this area. CRWV 120, no, it's not going to hit before the market sell off. But wherever the market top 705 area, you go and buy the merit put on the CRWV, so that even any pullback on the CRWV happens. CRWV is a $46 stock. I've been saying for months and months, it's a $46 stock. Whether you like it or you don't like it, whether you are losing money or you are making money, it does not matter. This stock belongs to 46 area, and it will go to 46. It will, if it will not go now, it will go along with the market correction, because it's a high beta stock. What is the beta? CRWV. I think the beta is around 2, 3 something. It's a high beta. Where is the beta? 1.82. No, this is okay. EPS. Okay, 2.45. So what we are looking at here, we are looking at if the S&P 500 drop approximately 5%, being a beta of the CRWV 245, we are looking at approximately 25 to 30% sell-off. On a 30% of 28 gives us $24 sell-off, and that makes you $56. And then you have a liquidity grab, then you have a stop loss, then you have a margin call. So 46, it will happen. Nothing will stop this stock to go to 46. Yeah, coin, yes. Coin, we are bullish. We are holding this one, the bending market. We are trying to complete this, the pattern, and then we'll see. We are looking for around 212, which is the previous. No, sorry, 212 is the bottom. So not this one. We'll go for the liquidity grab under 212 is the bottom right here. So 212 will mark the bottom, 212.93, and then the price will shoot up. We'll be closely monitoring. We have a steep resistance line. You see that one? So it continue, the price will retest, sell off, continue downward. 212 will mark the bottom. Then we'll break this trend line and straight the price target will be right in this area. So 212, I'm looking upside to 370. There is a hell of money to be made on coin. It's not the stock that you should panic. It's the stock that you should be waiting patiently, accumulating every step ladder. Let's say you are buying at 240, then you are a buyer at 220 as well, then you are a buyer at 210 as well, and 212, and then you just hold your position for 370. That's it. You don't need to do anything. I'll be taking the biggest position on coin, and it's already on my radar for the next big trade. Okay, moving forward to Bitcoin, Tesla. I already did because it's a short selling candidate. Okay, sell the shit out of this one, short the stock. This is not going anywhere. It's straight going into 303 area. Okay, moving forward to Bitcoin. What's going on the Bitcoin? You need to understand the chart. Right here, I tweeted right here that there will be a shakeout. Okay, and this is what the shakeout means. What's going on? So overall, stock is the Bitcoin is bullish because we are marking the higher high. Point number one, point number two. Every time we are marking the higher high. But what will happen? These were almost the equal low. Okay. Before it go up, I can 100% guarantee you the price will drop below these 2 points. Okay, which is 83, 84 area. Price will retest 84 anytime. Maybe after Christmas, maybe New Year night. I don't know. Okay, because time is very difficult to predict that which day it will crash. But it's guaranteed we have a change of character, means the market structure has already shifted. We'll have a little bit of retracement and break of structure down. We will revisit these 2.84 area 100% before we start going upwards. Moving forward to Solana, I have one position. Most of the group member are out of Solana because I asked them to close at the profit. I'm still holding my position because I can. That's the reason. Okay, I could have also exit with a small profit, but I decided I will hold. Okay, so it doesn't really matter to me. Okay, what I'm looking at, I'm looking around 105 area, 109 area that I'll be doubling down my position. Anything below 100, I'll be going like crazy. Okay, I'll be adding up a lot of Solana. The price target I'm looking for 203. Moving forward to Ethereum. Ethereum, very similar, will retest this trend line again. Another $200 drop is coming. We already have a team up bearish, and nothing can stop the price to drop 200. So that's why keep selling covered call on the BMNR. Little bit, keep selling something. Keep selling something. Once we have this retracement, then the price will run. Crypto will run definitely. Okay, it's not. Sorry. I wasn't well yesterday, so I'm having a little bit of cough. All right, so the price will go up, will retrace, most likely retest the support line before it bounce. Whenever the bounce will come, okay, this will be the same bounce. This one from 27 to 3,000. We are looking for another $300 bounce. So right from 2,700, again equal high right here. Okay, and that will be the area we'll be monitoring for the breakouts. If it break out 3,000, straight we are going for 35, 4,000. Okay, unless we break this high, the Ethereum is not going anywhere, and that's why you need to sell the call on BMNR a little bit. Okay, something. Unless we break this high. Right now the price is going downward. We'll continue pushing down, and then we come back. We might. This is the resistance we are looking at. So there was a fair value gap right here. We have a SR interchange right in this area. So this is a very critical support to break 3,000. Once we break 3,000, price will start shooting upwards. Okay, moving forward, the stock will keep paying attention to Amazon. We are in profit. Everyone is in profit on this one. We'll be looking to exit the trade. Right, another $5-6 jump. Like 238 area, we'll start exiting our position. Those who have a small capital, you can also book the profit early. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so it's all depending on from here. All your trade are in profit. It's all depend on you, that how long you want to hold. I'll be holding my position for 238 to 40 area before I exit, because in this area there were definite retracement is happening. Okay, I'm big on SMCI. I'm big on Amazon. I'm also big on, now I'm looking to build a big BMNR, huge position, approximately 40,000 plus share holding right now. Okay, GameStop, I'm stuck in this position for a while, last few months, but I made enough money by selling the call, buying the put. Every time it goes up, I buy the put, I sell the call, and then the price retrace. The put goes in profit, call goes in profit. So I have been I've been I have been buying a GameStop since 35, and now my the average is 28, 29 area, and all this average down from the profit which I have generated from the GameStop. So whenever I close the profit, I'll go and buy a few more share. Okay, from the profit. Same thing you need to do with the SIDU. SIDU, take the profit. Okay, right here in this area, the stock will sell off. I have alerted exit SIDU. Those who bought it at 168, I clearly alerted yesterday right here in advance when the price was trading at 239. I clearly told you where we will be buying, and most of us bought it. If you are still holding and you are not listening the alert, make sure you exit SIDU right here. We knew it precisely where the stock will fall. Okay, right in this area, SIDU. When the price was trading at 239, it was alerted right here. 155, it was alerted to buy. 168 was my first entry, and right when the price was trading at right here 229, it was clearly alerted book profit on the SIDU of our previous position. We bought it at 70 cent, okay, and 140 cent right here, and then we clearly knew it at 209. SIDU next entry 168. Then the company announced the public offering. Price dropped to 168 precisely. We bought it. It went a little further down. Those who were lucky enough to capture that downstream, good enough. I did not buy that 150 area, but I was okay to 168. I booked the profit now. Decent 20% overnight. I'm happy with that one. Okay, I took the exit at 195. So right now trading at 195. So exit your trade. And this profit right here should go to DVLT, Data Vault, which is our position, which is approximately 10% down. So average out that one, because that's heading into bottom right here. You see that? So this stock we've been buying since 90 cent area right here, right at this candle right here, 90, now trading at 78. So we are about 12 cent loss, and we have made approximately 30 cent on the DVLT. So bring that 30 cent here to average out and hold this position. This exit will be looking around 175. We are looking to double our position in double our profit, like 100% run on the DVLT. So exit 173, set the limit order. Do not sell your share before that. Even if it goes further down, you keep buying. This is the stock you want to accumulate, because we are in the liquidity grab right in this area. This is the grab area, bear trap. Okay, market is open. Let me log into my account, and I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm adding up DVLT now. SIDU is already gone at 195. SOXL trade, which I took by mistake on the other day, that really was a mistake. I'm losing about $500 on this one, but it's fine. It was a mistake, like typing error. Instead of buying, instead of like selling, I hit the buy button, and then I completely ignored this. I could have like right away exit the trade, but it's fine. You can't do anything. Because I have a hell of short position on this one. I have a $40 call short, and I have a $49 put short, which is approximately break-even position, and I've been booking profit on this one for almost last 1.5 years. We've been trading this stock since October 2024, and every week or 2 weeks we've been booking profit on this one. Okay, and that's why I'm holding this, because it doesn't bother me $500, because I may have made over $1 million plus on this one. Overall stock is bullish, will continue pushing higher. I'm also looking at if my loss is like reduced from 500 to 100 to 200, and then I will exit the trade. Okay, market is overall red. The market should be on the green side. There is no reason for the market to sell off right before Christmas, before holiday. This is a short week. Okay, so every time wherever you see the opportunity, buy the put. Wherever you see the green is the time to buy the put. We path right here. This is a wave, a B bounce. This will fail. All right, what's the question here? Tesla dropping, making money on the puts. Yes, that's what we are looking at. Tesla has to drop. Tesla cannot stay. Once we particularly call the stock that this will tank, nothing can stop that. Look at this one, what's going on. This is where the traps are being created. What they are doing, they are pushing the price higher and tanking. They're pushing the price. This is the distribution area. Let me open it for you, and you will see what's going on here. So you see this candle on a 4-hour time frame. Start looking right from here. You see this candle? Let's look at what's going on here. So this particular candle, this was the low. this was the high of this particular candle. Okay, right here the market was sideline in this wick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Market was sideline. Another breakout. 1, 2, 3. Then this candle sideline, retracement. Okay, within this wick right here, what's going on? The seller visible, seller disappeared, and suddenly the seller appeared. So this is the hide and seek they were playing in this area, right at 494. So once you see that where they are playing hide and seek, you mark the high of this particular candle. And now they will, every time they will let the price go back to that area. That's where the selling pressure on this particular candle, this wick, was the first selling pressure of this entire trend. Otherwise, it was a green candle. The buyer were winning. This was the first time when the seller took over. So when they took over, this candle became the high of the market, and then sell off, retrace right in this area, in this wick, sell off. None of the candle was able to break the wick of this particular candle. You see that? So that shows every time the price is coming in this area, in this wick, the seller are selling. Then the buyer tried again with the excitement. We'll take down 500. We'll do this. Tesla is robo-taxi, blah, blah, blah. Nonsense, what all they do, because they love to buy it always at the high. You know, pushed again, long wick right here, and price dropped back into this one. The candle failed to close above. The wick went up, but candle failed to close above this wick. Means another selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure. Everywhere you see is a bloody selling right at 490, right at 498. No, right at 495.25. Okay. So any push up right here, any push upside, the buyer will take. Okay. They are entering a bull trap. Everything is bull trap on Tesla. Nothing will stop it. Okay. It's just that they don't like accepting, especially the retail investor. They have a psychological problem. They don't accept that we bought the stock at 273. We also bought it at 212 when the Tim, the ex-Kamla VP, when he tweeted on the stage, oh, Tesla tanking. It was 212. That day, 220 and down. 220, the stock has gone to $500, and still they think they will get rich by buying this garbage. Robotaxi, Optimus, everything is fine. But when it comes to fundamental, highly overvalued stock, this has to tank. And has to tank a minimum into 350 and under, 334 area. That's the minimum. Maximum it can go to 295, like plus minus $300. So what will happen again? Let me tell you that. Again, this is a bear active here. They will again push it. Again, you will see few green candle here, maybe around Christmas, like after Christmas next day or something. 1 or 2 green candle, and then the big candle will come. Once it dropped the 34 EMA right here, which is 474, make sure all your account is filled with the married put. Not married put, I mean long put. Okay, every bounce on this is a sell. Every bounce on Tesla is a sell. If you're not selling, it's kind of a felony. Okay, right here, Tesla. If it won't come down, we will bring it down. So we don't give a damn. We know where it's coming. Sorry. So I'll be staying online only for 10-15 minutes. My throat is really bad and it's hurting continuously talking. All right, right here, what do you see? The sign of weakness on the daily time frame. You see that? The sign of weakness after this uptrend, bullish candle, and the candle is getting smaller, smaller, smaller. None of the candle, the body is able to break the high of this candle. If you are not shorting and you are not confident about Tesla, short side, don't trade. Trading is not for you. Trust me. If you think it's a high risk here to short this stock. RSI, everything. P ratio, high. Everything. Just like, look here. Let's go to simply. Is Tesla stock overvalued? Just a normal random AI question. Okay. Let's AI mode. Okay. What does it say? Based on the traditional valuation metrics, Tesla stock appears to be overvalued. Even a basic Google AI mode, everyone knows this is overvalued stock. High valuation. P ratio 323.71. It's as expensive as the Palantir. The worst thing about Tesla is, the problem with Tesla, which people don't realize, is the less institution holding and 45% retail holding, and that's a problem. No stock should be in control of retail investor, and especially like company like Tesla. And same thing, these people are excited about SpaceX IPO. 99% of them will lose the money, I'm telling you. 99% of them, SpaceX IPO, because it's overhyped. Here we go. How can it not tank? You made 14.55% in 10 minutes. Excellent. That's how you make money. That's it. I've been saying for 3 days, not 3 days. Now it's 5 or 7 days at least. Tesla is overvalued. Tesla is overvalued. Tesla is overvalued. If anyone is buying, be my guest. They deserve it. Right, 1 hour time frame, Tesla, and this your 14.155%. Be ready to short again. It's bouncing in this spread candle. Okay, you see this? Every time price comes here, you should be ready with the put. This is your line, 492.65. So book 14.55% profit right now. Wait for the price again, go to 492 and again buy the put. Okay, this candle is a kind of a spread candle. Okay, the buyer are trying to push, and who are the buyer? Those who want to see, oh, Tesla 500, Tesla 500, Tesla 500. It looks like that daddy shop that they can sell whatever they want, less they know how market works. $500 in the account, small account, trying to get rich from the stock market, thinking Tesla will go 500, buying at 485, thinking he will make $15. That's how retail think. Okay, it's only heading into disaster. More they push higher, more it will tank harder. Okay, so they should not even try to push Tesla higher from here. This is the first price target, nearest, like within few days. Okay, 463 area, fair value gap, and then we will have a little of relief rally upside from here, this zone. So 463, 455 area minimum, and then we'll have a little bit of retracement, retrace the 50 EMA. So if you are looking at, this is how something you should be looking at, down, upside, then something like this. Okay, it will retest the 50 EMA. 482 to 65. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. Where is my indicator gone? All righty. Okay, pre-market. Where is my high and low? Where is my pattern daily? Okay, all good. So I'm ready. All righty. So we are at the low. There will be a recovery right here. So make sure you take your 14%. Next candle will recover. 481.73. Okay, dropping. All right, what order I have pending? SPY Accra. Okay. All right, excellent. That's it. You take the profit, you run. That's it. Don't try to, don't be in the bullfight and try to win the bull. No. Sit outside of the ring, take the money, watch the show, and go away. That's it. That's how trading works. Those who think they will enter the ring and fight the bull before they get the trophy, they're idiots. Sit outside, watch the show, take your money, get lost from there. That's it. Cypher. Cypher on a daily time frame. Not yet. It's not a buy here. We'll have these 2 points will be taken down. You'll see the price dropping below these 2 points. So buying is under 13.14, under $13. Cypher has a lot of downside. All righty. Okay. Yes, you take the profit on the side. How many times I have told you? I'm saying 10 times. Book profit. SITU. What are you doing? I just told you book profit. SMCI 28 call, book profit. What do you have here? SMCI. Yeah, SMCI 28 call. $28 call. Don't hesitate to book profit. No one has ever regretted taking the profit out of the account. Okay, go back to Tesla, short this garbage where you can. Okay, this one candle, 438, 483, go to this one, there will be a retracement. I'm waiting for the retracement. Upside, a little bit of recovery on the candle. Okay, that's why. So make sure you are sitting on a sell side on the S&P 500. You are sitting sell side on the Tesla. I have to stop the stream because I'm not well. I can't talk continuously. Okay, I'll be on the Discord. Thanks. Bye.